Let me show you how to create this smooth caption text animation in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Here I'm in Premiere. First, select the text tool and then go to the program monitor to type your text. After that, open the Properties panel and adjust the text according to your needs, such as the font, size, color, or alignment. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for Text Animator. Drag and drop it at the beginning of your text layer on the timeline, then slightly adjust the duration of the effect. You can keep it around 1 to 2 seconds, depending on the animation speed you prefer. After that, select the effect and go to the Effect Controls panel. Here, in the Presets section, choose Fade, and then scroll down and set the Fade Out animation to 100 and also set Fade to 100. Next, scroll further and set the Push animation value to 75. After that, scroll down a little more to the Advanced Controls section. Here, set the object type to Word. Then adjust the word bias value in such a way that only the first letter of the word appears initially. This will create a smooth animated caption effect. Using this method, you can easily create smooth animated captions. You can also control the duration of the animation. Either adjust it directly from the timeline or select the effect and go to the Effect Controls panel, where you will find the Stop Duration option. From there, you can easily adjust the duration according to your preference. After applying the starting animation, simply copy it. On Windows, press Ctrl+C, and on Mac, press Option+C. Next, move to the end of the text layer on the timeline and paste the effect there by pressing Ctrl+V. To adjust the ending animation, click on the animation effect and go back to the Effect Controls panel. Here, change the position value to -75. Then scroll down to the Advanced Controls section and uncheck Left to Right. By doing this, you can easily create a smooth ending animation for your text. After that, you can link multiple layers together and apply the same animation to all of your subtext layers. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.